Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about high order function. So what is high order function? High order function is a function which accepts function as a parameter. So let's start how to work with high order function and how to create high order function. So I am going to create first main function, and then I am going to create high order function high order fun that yes. Now I'm going to take, in previous tutorial I have taken the int, so I'm taking string 1 here, string 2, then I'm going to create one high function comma high fun, and in that I am going to pass the string to string. Okay, then one flat arrow, and this arrow will read string, and here unit open bracket. Yes, now here creating one variable, the name is mstring is equal to high order function, and in that I am passing string 1 comma string 2, and this I am going to print. My string is $symbol mstr. Okay, and when I'm going to call this function in main method. So for that I need to create one where my fun is equal to high order function my fun. Here I need to pass string comma string and flat arrow string, then equal to curly braces s comma this thing. Now here string, so $s2. Okay, and now in this function I am going to high order function. Here I am going to pass string 1 and string 2. Here I am passing Namaste Coder. First string is Namaste, second one I am going to pass Coder, and third high order function my fun. And now let me run what output we are getting. My string is Namaste Coder should become. Let me run this program. So here my string is a Namaste Coder is printed here, and if I am going to remove this, it will print Namaste Coder directly. Yeah, so as in definition it is written function is which accept as a parameter. So here I have created one function, and in the this function, under a function I have created inside parameter I have created one more function. So this function taking this function as a parameter. So this is called high order function. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.